gonna do this for you.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Go for it.
Please don't play anything. I just wrote this song the other day. It's called Kitten Eyes. I was just a girl lost in my own world. I was just a girl falling in love, trotting 6 legs deep down the French Quarter, trotting on my cloud, longing for a lover, longing for another. You had me once, you had me. Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, sky high. Beachside lovers, spy on fire. Should I kiss you goodbye? Kiss you goodbye. Kiss this goodbye. Kitten eyes, prying me up softly. The cracks of the pavement, they are rolling, growing with your apathy. You've been moving on, I know, and I've been so letting go. You've been moving on, I know, and I've been so letting go. You can hear the tears that cry out, disappear in my sides. You can hear the years that cry out, disappears in my side. You had me once. You had me. You're just an old house, rotting blackness, painting, scraping at your frame, your face tells secrets you try to hide. Your mouth holds sleeping lullabies. You long for your fears. You long for your fears. You had me once. You